Hi, my name's Holly Olson, and I made my website on a fictional organization called Battlebullying. I chose to make a website on how to change your attitude towards bullying by telling a fictional story about a boy named Jimmy, and then ask the person visiting the site to do something similar to what Jimmy did in all three sections. My three sections are our actions, be kind, and simple acts. And here you see our actions, be kind, and simple acts. My call to action is to take all three of those and combine them. To 1, take action and become more positive. 2, be kind and write that as a reminder to place wherever you go. And 3, give simple acts as a way to help someone have a better day. While you can't change how others act or think, you can change how you act and think. And hopefully through your example, others will begin to change as well. I made my website simple and straightforward, as the pictures aren't the focal point of my website. Though I did use this handshake picture at the top as the first picture and the bottom picture to show that you don't have to be best buds to work together to battle against bullying. I use different shades of blue throughout my site, as blue is a calming and tranquil color. I also used 2 fonts throughout. I used a serif that was used for all of my titles of every section and for my logo. And then I used a sans serif throughout the rest of the website. In the body, you could see that while I used the same font, I made the story part of my website italicized so you would know it's the story part. And then when we at Battle Bullying ask you to do something, that is just the regular font. But I chose these fonts because they are easy to read and your eyes are able to flow over them easily. I want to show you what it looks like on a phone. So here you see what it would look like on a phone. Last semester, I took advanced CSS and really struggled with the grid system. I could not seem to grasp the essentials of it, but with this class, all the work we have done and the information provided to us made it much easier for me to understand, and I was able to easily implement it into my website in my 3 sections. As you see, I used it for the 3 sections here. But I know I still have a long way to go till I feel that I've mastered it, and I don't know if I'll get there. But the best thing that I learned this semester was that I need to keep a positive attitude, and while my site is not perfect, I can make a meaningful website. And I hope that it will help others learn and grow as well. Thank you. I've really enjoyed this semester.